You are managing a resource group called RG1 and have been tasked with ensuring that no virtual machines can be deployed into it. It is important that users retain the ability to create all other types of Azure resources within this group. Which mechanism should you implement? Option A, a resource lock. Option B, an Azure RBAC role assignment. Option C, a resource tag. Option D, an Azure policy. This scenario explores resource governance within Azure. We need to control deployment behavior at a specific scope to restrict the creation of certain service types while permitting others. This requires a tool capable of evaluating deployment requests against defined compliance rules before the resources are ever created.
In my view, the correct answer is option D, an Azure policy. Azure policy is specifically designed to enforce rules and prevent the creation of restricted resource types within a defined scope, like a resource group. By assigning a policy definition that denies the Microsoft Compute Virtual Machine resource provider, you effectively block those VMs while still allowing the creation of all other resource types. Let's look at why the others don't fit. Option A, a resource lock, prevents accidental deletion or modification of existing resources, not the creation of new ones. Option B, an Azure role, handles user permissions rather than compliance rules. Lastly, option C, a resource tag, is meant for metadata and organizational categorization and has no impact on what can be created. Remember, for granular control over resource types, always look to Azure policy.